My name's Jag Gill, and I'm the founder of Purpose Works. Healthcare institutions globally have never had to cope with a public health crisis on the scale of COVID-19 before. Responses to COVID-19 have been devastated by supply chain weaknesses in the procurement and sourcing of PPE, personal protective equipment. Vital information on global suppliers, capacity and products and capabilities is simply inaccessible or not available, leading to insufficient supply of PPE. And frontline workers and healthcare workers and patients put at massive risk with no mechanism to ensure products are tracked and safety and health risks monitored. PPE shortages have led to additional serious supply chain issues, including scam websites and traders, theft of identity, and fraud, with payments and transactions for goods that never existed or don't get delivered or that don't meet required standards. And the BBC reported just last month that there have been over 2,000 virus-related online scams in the past few weeks. COVID-19 has exposed systemic flaws in supply chains, which will accelerate technology adoption and the need for agility, sustainability, and efficiency. Our goal is to build the de facto discovery and sourcing marketplace for PPE that is transparently and ethically procured, enabling US businesses and healthcare institutions to protect against COVID-19. Our new procurement marketplace empowers hospitals, dentists, clinics, nursing homes, and at-risk industries in need of PPE urgently to build their own supply chains quickly and inexpensively, high speed, high trust, and low cost. And this is not just a healthcare issue. 1.5 million people work in meat processing plants alone in the US. And as industries open this month, like retail goods, packaging, logistics facilities, PPE needs are urgent. Supply chain risk ensues when there is little verification of ethical practices deeper in the production process. And the US has already procured medical gloves from a Malaysian manufacturer accused of forced labor practices, a risk that is only heightened moving forward, given the massive spike in demand for PPE. The lack of visibility into factories dispersed mainly across Asia Pacific allows for abusive labor and environmental practices, and these include forced labor, child labor, and involuntary overtime for workers where women are the most vulnerable. Our platform aims to bring transparency and quantitative trust metrics to the PPE supply chain, with the goal of improving supply chain resiliency and reducing exploitation in manufacturing overseas. To do this, we use a combination of data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. We've already gathered and processed information on thousands of global trusted PPE suppliers. We're developing our core technology, and we're ready to begin marketing to businesses across North America, including healthcare institutions and hospitals, factories, logistics, retail establishments, as we move into the fall and the potential of a second dangerous spike in the virus. We're grateful to our partners at Barclays and Unreasonable, and we feel privileged to be supporting global COVID-19 relief efforts.